In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to conditionally format rows and cells in Smartsheet so your data automatically changes appearance based on specific conditions. First, open your Smartsheet and navigate to the sheet you want to format. Make sure the data you want to monitor is already entered into the sheet. Next, click the Conditional Formatting button in the toolbar. This will open the Conditional Formatting panel where you can create custom rules. Now, click New Rule to create your first formatting rule. Select the column you want Smartsheet to monitor, such as a grade, status, priority, or due date column. Choose the condition you want to use. For example, you can set a rule that highlights values greater than 69 or marks overdue tasks based on a date field. After defining the condition, select the formatting style you want to apply. You can choose different text colors, background colors, or other visual formatting options. If you'd like the entire row to stand out, apply the formatting to the whole row. If you only want the specific value highlighted, apply it to the selected cells only. Repeat the process to create additional rules. For example, you might use green for completed items, yellow for items in progress, and red for items that need attention. Once your rules are saved, Smartsheet will automatically apply the formatting whenever data matches the conditions you've defined. That's it! You've successfully set up conditional formatting for rows and cells in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.